Hey guys, as we promised you before that we'll share some educational stuff with you, this is what we are going to do today. Plus our weekly Forex forecast, so let's get started. After more than 8 years of experience, we came to a conclusion that only wave analysis is powerful enough to make you a profitable trader. And the good thing is today, we will show you how to never break your Forex trading account. So let's go. Rule number 1, never ever add to a losing position. This is a golden rule, guys. Why? Because while you are thinking that you will break even fast by doing that, you will forget that you are over-risking at the same time. And here is where the second rule kicks in. Rule number 2, do not over-risk and over-trade. Why? Because one single trade can wipe you out. And if we go in details in this rule, we might need around 2 hours to finish this explanation. Rule number 3. Prevent big losses. How you can do that? Actually, you have only 5 outcomes after you click a trade. Big loss, small loss, break even, small win, and big win. If you take off the big loss from this situation, I can assure you, you will never break your Forex trading account. Share this in your social media platforms, guys, and let other traders benefit as well. Do not forget to leave a comment, and now let's go to our weekly Forex forecast. For the XY, guys, we're expecting a down move. Instead, the market went up and went down again. Alright, we went back to the same point. Now, we're expecting a down move. No matter what, we were not in the buy and we will not buy this one. That's the point. We will not buy the XY. This is direction, one single direction and one single move. This is the wave we are looking for, downside down wave. Here now, if we get a corrective structure, we will go with this down wave. So, for the XY, what we are expecting next is a corrective structure and then downside again. This is the wave and this is the direction we are looking for. No buy setups. Even if the market will go to the upside, we will not buy it. Pound dollar, for this one, guys, pound at any time, it can start to go to the upside. This is the wave we are looking for and this is the direction. Upside, up wave, no sell setup for us. Even if this one will make a correction and one more down, we will ignore this one. Any sell setup will ignore it and we are looking for our buy setups. This is the direction and this is the wave. Any up move will go with this one and any sell setup will ignore it, because this sell setup, guys, if we get a sell here, if we will go with this sell, guys, this will be 100 pips. But this up move, it will be more than 1000 pips. That's the point. This is the wave you want to be in, not this small wave to the downside. Alright? And this one, guys, we are expecting an up wave and this is the bigger direction. We will be always in the bigger direction. This is a wave and this is the direction we are looking for. Any sell setup will ignore it and we will go with this up wave. Euro dollar, do not be trapped with this down wave. The market went sharp down and sharp up again. We are at the same level as last week. Okay? If you remember, from here we did say, guys, we are expecting an up wave and the market went up. If you were in this buy, you should have made some profit in this up move. And the worst case scenario for you should be break even if you are in this buy, right? Now, in this structure, guys, once we've got this down move, now we're expecting an up wave again. This structure, guys, this wave, it will come. This is what we can see. This is our forecast and this is our point of view. If this one will go to the upside, we will be in this bias. Any sell setup will ignore it and any down move, we will not be in it. And this one, guys, all what we are looking for is this up wave. If you know how to trade this up wave, you can go for it. If you need to sell this one, be very careful. We are not expecting a down move, and if we get any sell setup here, we will not sell it. Pound Oz, for this one, guys, we are expecting a bigger corrective structure. This is a bigger corrective structure, okay? If you know how to trade this corrective structure, go for it. For us, we will wait this to finish and then we'll go with one more down. This up move, we'll ignore it now and we'll leave this pair until it gives us a corrective structure, clear one and then one more down. If you remember, from here we did say we are expecting a down move and the market went down more than 1000 pips. Now in this one, guys, bigger corrective structure and downside again. Aussie dollar, from here we did say we are expecting an up wave and the market went up. Correction and up again. This is more than 200 pips. You have plenty of time to move your stops to break even or to take some profit. This is more than 250 pips and you have a plenty of time to manage your trade. Now, the market went down. We are not in the sell and we will not sell this one. If you remember, we forecasted this up wave and we forecasted this down wave, right? Now, as per wave analysis, we have a higher probability chance that the next move it will be to the upside. That means, guys, if we get a setup here, if our strategy allows us to go with this buy setup, we'll go with this up wave. In this one, guys, we are expecting this up wave again. We are expecting a wave similar to this one. Very big up wave, okay? Any sell setup will ignore it. Any down move, we will not sell it. All what we are looking for, up wave, buy setup, up move. This is direction and this is the wave we are looking for. No sell setup for us and we will not sell Aussie dollar. Aussie New Zealand, we are making a bigger corrective structure and this is the direction we are looking for. Upside, up wave, no sell setup for us. Even if the market will move to the downside, we will not sell it, alright? We are expecting a move similar to this one. Fast and sharp. If you remember, we forecasted this up move, right? You remember this one, guys? We forecasted this up move. And now, we are expecting another move similar to this one. This is the move and this is the direction we are looking for. No sell setup for us. Any sell setup, any down move, we'll ignore it. We will not sell Aussie New Zealand. We will only go with this direction, with this wave. Aussie yen, for this one, guys, we're expecting an up wave. Instead, the market went down. If you are in this buy, take it off. Now the structure here, it could be changed. That means if you are in a buy position, you should get out. From here, guys, we are expecting an up wave, but this up wave is not ready now, alright? This structure, it could be changed. Pound CAD, we did say we are expecting a corrective structure and downside again. The market give us a small corrective structure and then it went down. In this one, guys, one more down is expected. Do not sell this one, it's very dangerous. If you are in this sell or in this sell, move your stops or take profits. Now, in this structure, guys, any down move will ignore it and we will start looking for our buy setups. This down move, guys, it might be the last down wave, okay? Now, in this one, we'll leave it for now and we'll focus on other pairs. CAD Swiss, we did say that it's gonna go down and the market went down, right? And this one, if you are in this sell, guys, take profits. For now, we are expecting an up move. This is a wave and this direction we are looking for. Up move, up wave. This is direction, alright? Any sell setup will ignore it. This up is not ready as yet. We are expecting more downside and then upside again. Any sell setup will ignore it and we will go with our buy setup. This is direction and this is the wave we are looking for. No sell setup for us. This is why if you are in this sell position, you can take profits or you can move your stops. It's your decision. For us, now we are expecting this wave. Euro Swiss, we are expecting this up wave, this up move, right? Just to motivate you guys, some of our traders, they made more than 10 to 1 in this down wave, okay? Take this as motivation only. And this one, guys, do not be trapped with this down wave. We're expecting this up wave, the market went up and went down again. Even with this down move, guys, we will not change our bias. This is direction and this structure is not changed as yet. We are expecting this up wave, this up move. Any sell setup will ignore it. Any down move will not go for it. Do not go and jump in from here and the market will go against you 1000 pips. If you do that, you will lose your account, right? Now, in this one, we are expecting this up wave, this up move. This is direction and this is the only direction that we will be in. Swiss yen, for this one, guys, we forecasted this down move, right? You remember. If you are in this sell, you can move stops or you can take profits. For us, as per our wave analysis, the higher probability chance now is this wave, right? This is direction and this is a wave. We can get one more down here. Any sell setup will ignore it and we will not sell this one anymore. If you are in this sell from these levels, you can actually move your stops and wait. If this one will go to the downside, you will be fine. If this one will go to the upside, you will get a break even or you can take profits. This is how you should go, right? Now, in this one, guys, we are expecting an up move. If this market will go to the upside, we will go with this wave, with this direction. Dollar CAD, also you remember from here we did say we are expecting a down wave and the market went down, right? You remember this big move, right? Now, in this one, we are expecting one more down move. In this structure, guys, if you know how to trade this down move, you can go for it. This is a wave and this is the direction we are looking for. No buy setup for us right now, right? In this structure, guys, we are expecting a down wave. This is a move and this is the direction. After this down wave, we'll go with this up. For now, we are focusing on this one only. We are waiting the structure here and we are waiting the waves to go with this one. This is posted in our TradingView account. Follow us on TradingView. Now, in this one, guys, we are expecting this wave, this direction. If you are not in, wait a corrective structure here and you can go with this one. This is a wave and this is a move. Downside, down wave, no buy setup for us. Any upside here, we'll ignore it. If the market will go to the upside, we will not buy it. All what we are looking for here, guys, is a down move. Sell setup, no buy setup for us. This is a wave and this is the direction. EURUSD, for this one, guys, from here we did say we're expecting a down move and the market went down. If you are in this sell, you should have made some profits, or at least you will be out for break even. For this one, guys, we're expecting one more up. You should not buy this one, alright? Wait this one to move and then we'll update you later on. You should not buy this one because it's very dangerous. For us, guys, we'll wait this to move to the upside and then we'll decide. If you are not in, leave it. If you are in, you should have made some profits, or at least you should get out for break even. EURUSD, for this one, guys, we are expecting an up move. This is a wave and this direction. The structure here is not changed as yet. All what we are looking for is an up wave, up move. No sell setup for us. For EURUSD, guys, we are looking for this wave, this up move. Pound Swiss, for this one, guys, do not be trapped with this down move, alright? We are expecting a bigger corrective structure. This bigger corrective structure, it will be actually similar to this one, or a move to the upside. In all cases, we are expecting an up move. If you know how to trade this up move, you can go for it. Any sell setup, will ignore it and we will not sell Pound Swiss. All what we are looking for is an up move, up wave, buy setups. Euro New Zealand, also from here we forecasted this up move and from here we forecasted this down move. The market went down more than 700 pips and then it's going up now, right? If you are in this sell, you should have made some profits here, right? And if you are in this sell, guys, you still have time. You can move it to break even or you can take profits. If we get a corrective structure here, we will go with one more up. Be careful with this one. If you are in this sell, manage your trade. If you are not in this sell, leave it for now. XBT, like we said last week, guys, we can get a change of structure here. That means the market went down and now we're expecting upside again. In this structure, guys, if we get a setup to this upside, we'll go with this one. If we get a corrective structure here, we'll go with this up move. This is the direction and this is the wave now. If you know how to trade this up move, you can go for it. Any sell setup will wait here. If you are not in, leave it. If you are in any sell position, be careful. If you need to buy this one, you should have a system and you should have a plan. CAD yen, for this one, guys, we did say we're expecting a down wave, this corrective structure. If you are in this sell, you can manage your trade or you can take profits. It's your decision. We did say we're expecting one more move down and the market went sharp down. Now, in this one, guys, all what we're looking for now is an up move. This is a wave and this direction. We're expecting an up move in CAD yen. Any sell setup will ignore it. If the market will make a corrective structure here, one more down is expected. This move, we will not sell it. We will ignore this one if the market will go to the downside. All what we are looking for is our buy setups, upside, up wave. Dollar yen, for this one, guys, from here we did say we are expecting upside and the market went up. If you are in this buy, you should have made some profits here, right? And we did say, guys, after this up move, if you know how to trade this down move, you can go for it. The market went sharp down, right? And this one, if you are in this sell now, you can move stops or you can take profits. We're expecting more downside here, but you should not sell this one. Now, after this down move, we'll update you later on. This structure is not ready. So if you trade dollar yen, you should have made some profits here in this up wave and in this down wave. New Zealand dollar, if you remember, guys, from here we forecasted this to the upside and we've got more than 300 pips in this up move. And then we've got this down move and we said, guys, do not be trapped with this down move. We're still expecting this up wave. Instead, the market went down. You should not lose your account in this down move, right? Now, in this one, guys, if you are in this buys, you should get out for break even or you should have made some profits in this up move. Now, in this one, if the market will go to the downside to break this low again, this structure will not change. All what we are looking for is this up wave, this up move. This up wave, it can go up from here or from here, right? This is the direction and this is the wave. If you are confused why from here or why from here, this is wave analysis and this is the structure. Now, we will not sell this one, we are not in the sell, and we will not sell this one. All what we are looking for is this up wave, this up move. Gold, for this one guys, you know our bias and you know the direction. We are looking for a sell setup, down wave, down move. Any buy setup will ignore it and you know that. Last week we did say we're expecting a down wave. The market goes down, correction, and it went down. And then it went back up. This up wave guys, we are not in this buys and we will not buy it. We are looking for this sell setups, this down wave, right? This is direction and this is a move we are looking for. No buy setup for us. Now, if the market will go to the upside, we will not buy it. That doesn't mean if the market will shoot up, we will break our account, and you should never ever break your account again with today's video, right? Now, for this one guys, all what we are looking for is this sell setup. This wave, this direction, no buy setup for us, alright? You know that we are ignoring any buy setup and we are looking for our sells only. Silver, for this one guys, if you are in this buys, if you remember this forecast, if you are in this buys, just manage your trade. This one, it will make down, correction, and down. And this one guys, you can take profits or you can manage your trade. Your worst case scenario, it will be what? Break even if the market will move to the downside, right? You will get break even only. If you are not in, leave it for now. The structure is not ready for an up move. If you want to buy this one, you should be very careful. Dollar Mexican, for this one guys, if you remember from here we did say we are expecting downside and we did say guys we are expecting downside again. You remember this story, right? We explained this in one of our videos. Now, in this one, we are expecting a downside, down wave. No upside for us, no buy setup. All what we are looking for is our sell setups. This is direction, only one direction. Downside, down wave. If the market will go to the upside, we will ignore it. New Zealand CAD, this one also we've got this sharp up and this sharp down. If you are in this buys, you should get out for break even. Now, for this one guys, we are expecting upside again. Any sell setup will ignore it and do not be trapped with this sell setup. Do not be trapped with this down wave, alright? If the market will break this point or this point or this point, we are not interested in any sell setup. In this one, we are expecting up wave only. Buy setups, no sell setups for us. This is direction and this is the wave we are looking for. No sell setup for us. That doesn't mean the market it can go down. If the market will go to the downside, we will ignore it. As per our wave analysis, the high probability chance it will be to the upside. Pound New Zealand, this making a bigger corrective structure and one more move down. This structure guys, this down move, it will be very dangerous. If you know how to trade it, you can go for it. We're expecting one more down here and this down move, it will be actually the last wave. If you know how to trade this down move, you can go for it. We're expecting this down wave, this down move now in Pound New Zealand. Any upside is not ready as yet. New Zealand Swiss, also from here we did say we're expecting upside and the market went up and then sharp down. In this one guys, also your worst case scenario, it should be break even, right? You should not lose your account in this down wave. In this one guys, do not be trapped with this down wave, alright? All what we are looking for now is this up wave. This up move, this is the setup. No sell setup for us. All what we are looking for is our buy setups. This is direction and this is the wave. New Zealand yen, if you remember guys, from here we did say we are expecting an upside and the market went up more than 300 pips, alright? Now, the market went down, sharp down. If you are in this buy, you should get out for profits or break even as worst case scenario, right? In this one, if you are not in this buy, you should leave it for now. If you are in this buy, you should get out for break even. In this one guys, do not be trapped with this sharp down because this is exactly what they want you to believe in. And this one guys, what next? We are expecting this up wave, this up move. No sell setup for us. If you think like we broke this, we broke this, we broke this, now I'm expecting a sell position. I'm expecting this to go to the downside. Do not be trapped with this down wave. All what you should look for is this buy setup, this up wave, this up move. This is what we are looking for actually. We are sharing only our point of view on what could be the next move in the market based on wave analysis. And where is the high probability chance move. This next move here guys, it should be to the upside. This is what we can see. US oil, this is moving exactly as expected. We did say we're expecting a corrective structure, one more down. And from here we did say we're expecting downside, correction, and downside again. If you are in this side, guys, you can take profits or manage your trade. It's up to you. And if you remember, from here we did say we're expecting upside. And from here we did say we're expecting downside, right? You remember, forecasted this up, this down, this up, down, correction, down. We forecasted every single move here. Now, in this one, we're expecting upside, but this up, it might not be ready. If you are in this sell, just manage your trade, take profits, and leave it for now. Euro yen, for this one, guys, we're expecting an up wave. Instead, the market went down. Do not be trapped with this down move. I know like this, it could be like a little bit tough for you. What do you mean? But do not be trapped with this down move. This is moving so hard, 200 pips, 300 pips. And we were not in this sell. You are expecting an upside and the market went down. Analysis and trading are two different things. And today, we taught you guys how to never break your account, right? And this one, your worst case scenario, it should be break even. How to get small loss or how to get break even here, it's a different story, right? You know where you can reach us to learn this from us. Now, in this one, guys, this is direction and this is the wave we're looking for. No sell setup, this structure is not changed as yet. This is the wave and this direction. Any sell setup will ignore it even if we break this one, right? If we break this one, that doesn't mean the structure is changed to downside. Structure and this levels are two different things. Now, in this one, guys, we're expecting this up wave, this up move. Any buy setup will go for it, any sell setup will ignore it. That doesn't mean the market, it can go down, right? That means if the market will go to the downside, we will not sell it. And we know exactly how to buy this one if this one will go to the upside. One more time, as per wave analysis, the higher probability chance is towards the upside. Euro pound, for this one, guys, you remember we did say the structure, it could be changed to the upside, and this is what we've got. We've got like down, correction, down, and then upside again. You remember that, right? We're expecting this to the downside and then the structure changed, and we update you last week. And we did say, guys, this structure, it could be changed to the upside and the market went up. If you are in this buys, you can take profits. We are expecting a corrective structure and one more up. This upside here, will not buy it. If you are in this buys, guys, just manage your trade or take profits. It's up to you. For us, we will not buy this one. We'll wait a corrective structure, a clear corrective structure, then we'll go with this one. Aussie Swiss, this is the direction and this is the wave we are looking for. No sell setup for us. We are expecting this up wave, this up move. This is what we are looking for. No sell setup, only one direction. You know, we are giving you only one direction and you should know how to trade it if the market will go into this direction. One more time, if you think like you are missing this wave, do not be trapped with this down move, alright? All what we are looking for is this up wave, this up move. No sell setup for us. Any sell setup will ignore it and we will go for our buy setups only. Up wave, up move. Pound yen, we did say last week, guys, we are ignoring any sell setup and the market went down. We were not expecting this down move, but the market went down. In this structure, guys, we are not in the sell and we will not sell it. All what we are looking for is our buy setups, but this structure is not ready as yet. If you are not in, leave it for now. We'll update you later on. You should not be in the sell and you should not sell this one. Nifty, this moving to the downside, and you know actually we're expecting this to move from here, right? If you are in this sell, just manage your trade. This moving to the downside, manage your trade or take profits, it's your decision. We're expecting a wave similar to this one. You should remember that, right? NASDAQ, also for this one, we've got this down move. If you are in this sales, just manage your trade. If you are not in, leave it for now. If we get a corrective structure, we'll go with one more down. For now, if you are in, manage your trade. If you are not in, leave it. We'll update you later on. SPX, we've got this down move, and then here in this one, guys, manage your trade, because we are expecting this to go to this level and then upside again. If you are in this sell, manage your trade. If you are not in, wait. You cannot sell from here. This is very dangerous. If you are not in, leave it. If you are in, just manage your trade. 𝐒𝐔𝐑𝐄, they will make sure like every single one of you is out of this trade, and then they will move the market to the upside. And this one, guys, you should know how to trade this up move. We are expecting this big up, this big move. If you know how to trade this one, you should go for it. If you don't know how to trade it, leave it. For this one, guys, they are making sure like everybody is out and then they will move it to the upside. This is what we are expecting. Any sell setup will ignore it and any buy setup will go for it. This is direction, only one single direction, upside, up wave, no sell setup for us. Any down wave will ignore it and any sell setup will not take it. Dollars are, you remember, right? From here we did say we're expecting downside and then from here we did say, guys, an upside is coming. We're expecting an impulsive wave to the upside. This is a wave, this direction, and the market is moving very sharp to the upside, right? If you trade dollars are, you should be in this buy and you should be making big profits here in this up wave, right? In this one, we're expecting more upside. If you are in this buy, move your stops or take profits, it's your decision. This is moving exactly as expected. Dollar TRY, in this one we've got a corrective structure and downside again. If you are in this sell, manage your trade. If you are not in this sell, leave it for now. US30, we are making a bigger corrective structure here and upside again. If you know how to trade this up move, you can go for it. We moved to the downside and now we are expecting upside again. This up move, guys, it's very dangerous. You should know how to trade it actually. In this one, we are expecting one more up. Bitcoin, for this one, you know our forecast and you know our direction. It's only upside. XRP, it's a good investment. It's upside, up wave, no sell setup, right? In this one, it's only upside. This is a wave and this direction, no sell setup for us. It's investment and it's upside. Our official email address is wetradewaves@gmail.com. This is the only email that we use and we do not have another one. If you want to join our private group and learn from us, this is where you can reach us. So do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you can share this video in your social media platforms, that will be appreciated. Thank you and see you next week.